In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload a PDF file to Google Docs. Suppose this is the PDF file that we want to upload to Google Docs. Uploading a PDF file to Google Docs is often necessary when you need to edit, share, or collaborate on a document that is otherwise locked in a non-editable format. Since PDFs are widely used for distributing information in a fixed layout, they can be difficult to modify without specialized software. By uploading a PDF to Google Docs, you can convert it into an editable format, allowing you to make changes, add comments, or update content directly online. Let's launch the Google Chrome web browser. In the top right corner, click on the grid icon. In the drop-down menu, click on Drive. In the top left corner, click on New. In the drop-down menu, click on File Upload. Select your PDF file and click on Open. Wait for the file to upload. Now, refresh the page. Right-click on the PDF file we just uploaded. In the pop-up menu, click on Open With. In this pop-up, click on Google Docs. Here you can see that our PDF is uploaded to Google Docs. Now you can edit or change the file to your liking. Following these steps, you can easily upload a PDF file to Google Docs.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.